hashtag short, guys. 2007 Dodge Nitro, I want to say. It was towed in, guys. Check engine light on. Not that many miles. 147. It's fired up, guys. Oh, the way that feel, guys. I say this is a V6 3.7. Okay, where's the check engine light? Yes, check engine light is on. Now, in order to find out what the code is, I will have to scan it, guys. But for now, let's take a peek under the hood. Let's get it. All right, guys. Yes, 3.7, like I said, predicted. Okay, it's idle a little high. I hear a vacuum leak, guys. Could that be why the check engine light on? Well, that could be the reason the check engine light on. Something don't look fun. Something look funny right here. I don't know what's going on with this, guys. The only way you're gonna figure out why I light on, like I say, you will have to scan it and retrieve the fault code. Because this is a hashtag short video, I cannot do all of that on this video. So I tell y'all what, man, let's get this thing in the shop and let's do some troubleshooting. Y'all ready? Man, let's get it. All right, guys, I hope y'all saw that hashtag short video. We're gonna jump right into diagnosing, all right? We're trying to find out why the check engine light on. So we need to find out what code is in the PCM. Now y'all notice that lightning bolt simply means that there's a flash update available, but we're not concerned about that on a 2007 model, guys. Remember, it's kind of risky. As the years go by, it gets riskier and riskier to be flash updating controllers. I'll talk about that in the complete another video, so I'll link that video when it's up. All right, but for now, let's find out what fault code is in the PCM causing that check engine light to be on. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go under DTCs. What we will find is, okay, idle speed performance higher than expected, P0507, P0456, evap small leak detected. Okay, now for that small leak, guys, I highly recommend you do a smoke test, a leak test. Okay, I'll set the machine up or I'll discuss that, but for now, let's go under the hood and find out if there's anything obvious, because a lot of things can cause this: a vacuum leak, a hose left off. In fact, a hose that go to the evap system could be left off. Might kill two birds in one stone, guys. You just never know. But we will not know until we go and inspect. All right, let's go to the car and go under the hood. Let's get it. You ready, guys? Yes, the V6 3.7, guys. Man, this engine has been through. Y'all hear that? I can actually hear. Y'all hear that vacuum leak? Let's check this, guys. A lot of people say, yeah, a lot of condensation builds up in here, and it fools people into thinking the head gasket blown. But we're not chasing any kind of overheating problems. We're chasing an evap leak as well as idling high. Okay, I don't know what a purge. Yeah, this is a purge valve. Why is this just laying right here? Look at this. I don't know how this supposed. Ooh, look at that, guys, right there. I guarantee you. Y'all see that? It's split. I guarantee you that's where my small evap leak at. So this purge valve hose that go to the intake. Alright, now I haven't even smoke tested yet. I'm still gonna smoke test it, but I'm looking for. Ooh, there go another split right there. I think if this thing was routed properly, it may wouldn't have these problems. Look, that's about to come off. Yes, this is my small evap leak. Now, I still hear a psh. Let me go on this side. Alrighty, this hose go PCV maybe. Uh-oh. Ah, y'all hear that? I felt something. Let's take a look. Take a look. Right there, guys. Let me take y'all down, see if y'all can see. Yep, there's a hole in that PCV line, I want to say. Not sure where that hose go to, but I know it's leaking. Okay, it wraps under here. Yes, PCV hose. It's a good time to replace the PCV valve and that hose, guys. Alright, so now Let me take a look also at this. A lot of people have a tendency to get these super cheap fuel caps. That's why a smoke test is so crucial. Yep, look at this. This is the cheapest gas cap you can get, guys. And this looked new. So obviously they thought this was their problem. Yeah, this looked brand new. I'm no big fan of these guys. I'm an OEM gas cap, fuel cap guy for life. Alright, I still need to run a smoke test, but for now, guys, due to the fact that this is a video and I don't want it to be long, I'm definitely gonna go with this purge hose. It's about to fall off. Man, look at that. If I put the smoke machine on there, I guarantee smoke will come flying out of here. And don't forget that hose in the PCV system. Now we're supposed to, or we're required to look this car over, look cars over. I'm going off camera. I'm gonna do all this off camera. Check the air cleaner, pull a coil and check the spark plugs, check the oil level. Oh, I'm gonna let it up in the air, check the brakes. But I want this video to be surrounded around the fact that the check engine light on. But there's a lot of things I'm about to do off camera, guys, okay? I need y'all to understand it. No, we don't just, our first issue at hand is addressing the problem, right? The complaint that she came in with. I have done that, okay? Well, I have some more to do, but as far as camera related, or as far as right now as we stand, I have done that for the most part. So for now, I'm gonna do the I'm gonna lift this thing, put this thing in the air. Like I say, do my preliminary checks. Coolant, it's kind of hot right now. I don't want to open that. Make sure the battery is dirty. I'm gonna make sure it has a full charge. I'm gonna do a 21-point inspection of the whole entire car. This is a 2007. I haven't seen one this old in a while, ever since that last Liberty with the 3.7. Remember the Liberty with the overheating problem, and I ended up writing up a complete engine, and I got drilled for that. People, it's just a head gasket. No. No. And guys, this car, there's no dipstick, but look, there's a dipstick too. Okay, so I would need my special dipstick in order to verify the condition of the fluid. Right. So what I'm gonna do? Here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, you can still hear that, guys. Oh, yes. Let me check this thing over, guys. I'm going to wrap this video up. I don't want this video to be long. So let me get out of here. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. And I'll fire the camera back up if they buy all of this stuff, okay? But for now, I'm going to shut this video down. Thanks for watching.